Hi friend, welcome to my channel Math A to Z. In this lecture, we discuss the statement and proof of a very important theorem of ring known as second isomorphism theorem of ring. And the second isomorphism theorem of ring state that let S and T are two ideal of a ring R, then S plus T by S is isomorphic to T by S intersection T. S plus T by S is a quotient ring and T by S intersection T is also a quotient ring. We have to prove this quotient ring is isomorphic to this quotient ring. Okay. Here we first prove these two quotient ring S plus T by S and T by S plus S intersection T both are exist. Then we going to the main part of the proof. Okay. Now at first we prove this and this are two quotient ring, and for the quotient ring we have to show that for the quotient ring R by U we have to show that U is an ideal of R, then this quotient ring exists. Okay, and in this logic we have to show S is a quotient ring, S is an ideal of S plus T and S intersection T is an ideal of the ring T, right? Here S and T are both the ideal which is given in the hypothesis. Then since this and this are both ideal of R, then we know that S plus T is also an ideal of R. This is an ideal, so it must be a ring. Also, it is known that S always a subset of S plus T. Okay, and S is itself an ideal, it is given. So we say that S is an ideal of the ring S plus T. So S plus T by S, this quotient ring exists, right? Also, we know that since S and T are ideal, so S intersection T must be an ideal, because intersection of two ideal of a ring is also an ideal of this ring. Also, S intersection T is a subset of T. Okay, properties of intersection from. Hence, we say that S intersection T is an ideal of the ring T. So, it is also proved that T by S intersection T is a quotient ring. Now we have to prove T by S intersection T is isomorphic to S plus T by S. But in the statement this is opposite. But these and these are equivalent or same. So we have to prove T by S intersection T is isomorphic to S plus T by S. Before we going to the proof of the main part of this theorem, we again see the statement of the first isomorphism theorem of ring, or this is known as fundamental theorem of ring homomorphism. Okay, here the statement gives phi maps R to R dash be an onto ring homomorphism. Onto ring homomorphism. Then this is not required. Onto ring homomorphism. Then fundamental theorem of ring homomorphism state that R dash, this ring, is isomorphic to the quotient ring R by car phi. Car phi is the kernel of this map. Okay, so by using fundamental theorem of ring homomorphism, we prove this result by defining a mapping phi maps T to S plus T by S, and we have to show that this mapping is onto, this mapping is ring homomorphism, and the kernel of this mapping is equal to S intersection T. Okay, then this is in the place of R dash, so R dash is isomorphic to T by car phi, that is T by S intersection T. Then we prove this result. Okay, now we first define this mapping phi as phi of T equal to T plus S. Okay, for all T belongs to T. Here T plus S, this type of element belongs to this set. Since T equal to, we can write this 0 plus T. This is belongs to S plus T. So T plus S, this is capital S, the set S, and this is small t. T belongs to capital T. And T can be represented as S plus T, where S equal to 0, the element of S, and plus T belongs to S plus T. So this element must be belongs to S plus T by S. Now we first show the mapping is well defined, because this mapping is defined by me also. Okay, so we first define the defined mapping is well defined. To show it is well defined, okay, first well defined. To show the mapping well defined, we take T1 equal to T2. Both the element T1 and T2 of T, T1, T2 belongs to T, which are same. Then obviously T1 plus S equal to T2 plus S, right? and this gives phi of T1 equal to phi of T2. That is, for equal element phi of T1 and phi of T2, these are also equal. So phi is well defined. Phi is well defined. Now we show that this mapping is a ring homomorphism. Okay, ring homomorphism. Then we prove this is onto. To prove it is a ring homomorphism, we start with, for ring homomorphism, two properties are required. First property is phi of T1 plus T2 equal to T1 plus T2 plus S, and this is equal to T1 plus S plus T2 plus S, and this is phi of T1 plus phi of T2 for all T1 T2 belongs to T. This is the first property, that is the property of addition or preservation of the symbol addition. Now the second property, phi of T1 T2 sorry, equal to T1 T2 plus S, and this is T1 plus S into T2 plus S, that is phi of T1 into phi of T2. Okay, for all T1 T2 belongs to T, and this is the second property of ring homomorphism. So we say that phi is a ring homomorphism. Now we have to prove this function is onto. That is, for any element of this, there exists a T belongs to T such that phi of T equal to this element. Okay, to show phi is onto. We first let x plus s be any element of s plus t by s. So x must be belongs to s plus t, right? And this implies x equal to is of the form s plus t, where s belongs to s and t belongs to t. Now x plus s equal to s plus t plus s, and this is s plus s plus t plus s, and this is s because small s belongs to capital S, and this is t plus s. This gives t plus s, right? And when we get t plus s, then from the definition of the mapping we get this is equal to phi of t. Okay, so for every x plus s belongs to this set, we get a t, small t belongs to this set t, such that phi of t equal to x plus s. So for every element of s plus t by s, there exists a pre-image t belongs to t. So the mapping is onto, right? Now we complete the proof that this mapping is a ring homomorphism and also it is onto. So this is onto homomorphism. that is, we say by the fundamental theorem of ring homomorphism that T by car phi is isomorphic to S plus T by S. Okay. Now one proof is remained. Which proof? We have to show that car of phi equal to S intersection T. Now we, from the definition of car phi, we get car phi equal to this element of T belongs to T, such that phi of T equal to 0 element of this, and the 0 element of this is given by S. Okay, because we know that for any quotient ring R by U is the 0 element of R by U. So phi of T equal to S, and this gives T belongs to T, such that from the definition phi of T equal to T plus S equal to S, and this gives T belongs to T, such that this relation gives T must be belongs to S, because T plus S equal to S, this implies the result T belongs to, that is T belongs to T such that T belongs to S, that is T belongs to T and T belongs to S also. So must be T intersection S, right? So car phi equal to T intersection S. That is, we can write this result as T by S intersection T is isomorphic to S plus T by S. And if it is given that the proof is that, so we can write this is the proof. This is the proof. Sometimes the statement is given as this side is left hand side, so we can write S plus T by S is isomorphic to S by S intersection T, and this is the complete proof of the theorem. Okay, very important and very easy and logical theorem by using fundamental theorem of ring theory or fundamental theorem of ring homomorphism. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you very much.